Welcome to Car Showcase. Today, we're excited to showcase the 2025 Range Rover Evoque, a stunning luxury SUV that combines sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. The Evoque's exterior boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a curved silhouette and bold lines that exude confidence and sophistication. Its body is made from lightweight aluminum, ensuring excellent strength and agility. The LED headlights and taillights add a touch of modernity, while the 20-inch alloy wheels complete the car's athletic stance. Inside, the Evoque features a luxurious cabin with premium leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The dashboard is equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen display, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a range of intuitive controls. The interior is spacious, with ample room for 5 passengers and a generous cargo area. Under the hood lies a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 296 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, the Evoque accelerates from 0–60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds, reaching a top speed of 150 miles per hour. The Evoque's fuel capacity is 17.7 gallons, with an estimated fuel economy of 20 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. Its dimensions are 172.1 inches in length, 76.1 inches in width, and 64.5 inches in height, with a wheelbase of 105.6 inches. This luxury SUV features advanced safety features, including a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. Its price starts at $42,000, with various trim levels and options available. In conclusion, the 2025 Range Rover Evoque is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, combining stunning design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling off-road terrain, this car is sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.